Good day, sir. My name is Lawrence Angelo Barrera from BSIT 3BC. I'm here to present our cooperative information system prototype. Our project is designed to help cooperatives improve the management of records, documents, monitoring, and reporting through a centralized and digitalized system. The main goal of our system is to make cooperative processes more organized, secure, efficient, and accessible using modern technology such as OCR, AI analytics, SMS notification, and cloud-based management. So, maglalagay na po ako dito sa ginawa po naming system. Sa unang part po ng prototype, makikita po yung dashboard. Pag pindot po ng dashboard sa sidebar menu, dito makikita yung overview ng buong system tulad ng total cooperatives, reports, monitoring, data, analytics, at notifications. Centralized na lahat sir ng information kaya mas madaling nang i-manage at i-monitor. Sunod-sunod yung cooperative records and profile schedule. Pindutin po yung cooperative list, piliin yung cooperative profile. Dito nakistore yung profiles, records, permits, at documents ng bawat cooperative. Mas organized na siya compare sa manual filing system kasi nasa isang platform na lahat ng data at mas mabilis ng ma-access yung information dito sa at para naman po sa document processing, meron po kaming document scanner with OR, OCR technology. Ito din po yung document scanner, upload document or scan file. Kapag nag-upload ng permit or document, automatic yang ma-extract yung text gamit ang OCR technology para mabawasan yung manual encoding at mapabilis yung pagpaprocess ng records at documents. Bali po, hindi pa po siya ganun ka, ano, at prototype pa lang po ang ginagawa namin. Sa AI compliance analytics naman po, dito makikita yung charts, reports, compliance, status, at monitoring data ng cooperatives. Gumagamit din ito ng AI-based predictive analytics para makatulong sa pag-track ng compliance at possible issues ng cooperatives. And sa part naman ng monitoring po, dito makikita yung operational ng ating system, yung mga performance na nagagawa ng ating system. Sa included din po yung SMS notification module, SMS or notifications. Dito nagsesend po yung system ng reminders, announcement at update sa cooperative members at officers tungkol sa deadline at importance. Bali, magta-type po ako dito. Yan po. Bastahin na lang po yan. Ano po, pwede po siyang mag-announce, reminder, alert at update. And lagyan po ng phone number. Then, kung ano po yung sasabihin ko sa kanya. Yan po, lumabas na po yung ginawa. Bale, pagka, ano po, makikita po siya ng user. Ah, meron din po kaming plugin and security features. Sa login page po, dito kinokontrol kung sino lang yung may access sa system para ma-secure at protected yung cooperative records at confidential information. Dito po magta-type po ako ng kung ano-ano at 'pag ano po may maglalabas na warning na invalid employee ID or password, please verify your credential. 'Pag naman po tama yung nilagay namin na ID at password, 'yan magve-verifying po siya at makakapasok na po sa ating dashboard. Thank you. So, yung cooperative system information prototype namin sir ay ginawa para mas maging centralized, secure, efficient at modern yung management ng cooperative information monitoring, document processing, at reporting service. Yun lang po sir and thank you very much.